The Water Resources Department has informed that the gates of Saddle Dam of Tilari project, located at Konalkatta in Sindhudurg Taluka, were open since the onset of the monsoon, and the same were not opened all of a sudden by Maharashtra project authorities. The WRD has further clarified that the gate operation schedule of the said dam is shared by project authorities of Maharashtra with Goa, and for any operation regarding release of water, there is proper and regular coordination between both the states. The sudden rise in the water level of Chapara River and many other major rivers of Goa was due to excessive rainfall caused due to the low pressure area over the North Bay of Bengal, as forecasted and warned by IMD Goa Observatory. A communique from WRD clarified. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.